Welcome to Science Ninjas TV. This experiment is called rapid response, and it is to test your reaction time. Reaction time is important for many reasons. It's important for driving, not that you're going to be doing that for another few years, but it's also important for gaming, like when you're doing your Minecraft.
We're going to test some rapid response today, guys. Does that sound fun?
Yeah! We're going to start off by taking a card, a strip of card.
So would you like blue or yellow, guys? Yellow? It's about the size of a ruler.
Yeah.
So we're going to split it into 6 sections.
Another one here. Another one here. Lovely. Awesome, thank you.
Step 2. Ask a partner to hold the strip at the top so that the bottom end is hanging between your thumb and forefinger.
Step 3. Ask them to drop the card without warning. The fewer bands that slip through before you grip it, the faster your reactions. You caught it! High five! If this is too tricky, you could ask them to say now as they drop it. Now. Ooh! What is at the end?
What are we doing over there? We improved our reaction time?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look, third attempt was down here.
That's amazing.
Really excellent.
Rapid response benefits us in many ways, from driving, playing sports, and even gaming. It can be improved with training and practice.
Thanks for watching!